away. Look at this package and see what I got. Some more eyes for the teddy bears and the amigurumi I be doing. So these are a must for a crocheter. Since I showed you that, I figured I'd show you my whole order. This is some yarn I got. Got some cute Easter bags. It was like 2 for $1. So I was like, why wouldn't I for the Easter orders? Super cute. I got some new crochet needles. I'm really trying to get one in every size. It's kind of hard because they're like all over the place, but yeah, I got 2 of them. I got pliers for the floral wire that you can see right there. I got a headband. These are the headbands I've used for the Easter bunny ears, but as you can see, this one came messed up, so I ended up having to order 2 more. As you can see in the back, in the other bag, it's like smaller bags. I thought the bags would be bigger, but they weren't, so I ended up having to order new bags too. That was glue guns for the new hot glue sticks for the new hot glue gun I ordered. The floral wire, I usually use that for like the bunny ears and stuff like that to keep them like firm, so you can have like that fold to it to make it look more realistic. The other crochet needle, tissue paper. I usually use tissue paper for the orders when I pack them up. More fiber fill. These are, I had to show you what the bags look like because they were just super duper cute. And yeah. Here are the other bags. I ended up having to order like medium sized bags, whatever. I say medium, but I think it's a large one, I think. Those are 2 other headbands I ended up having to get. Here's a new hot glue gun. I would show you my other one, but honestly, that would be embarrassing. I think I'm going to show you guys how it works, so come back for part 2.